what is that is necessary to be done as a function of the state. حد الكفاف, that's the minimum level, or حد الكفاية, that's the adequate level. Is the minimum level, definitely. And all these Arabic writings by the names that you find them and on the street, many of these writings on the sidewalk, they are really incorrect. Definitely, all those that talk about حد الكفاية and الشريعة والإسلام يفعل كذا ويفعل كذا, all these are not acceptable, not scientific. The government is required definitely to guarantee the minimum level, and that guarantee of minimum level, even if it were that it needs to impose taxes for it, it needs to confiscate private property, it can do that for that level. But to go beyond that, definitely that's not required. When the government has resources, it makes also the same way like Ferouz. Ferouz was a good singer anyway. It says تاكل عائدي اللوز والسكر, talking about the bird when it comes close to her. So the government should give لوز وسكر to everybody, not only حد الكفاية. Give them even luxury. If it has resources, because these resources belong to people, so give them much more than حد الكفاف. So حد الكفاف is not a criteria for anything. It is wrong. It's rather complete wrong. What is mentioned in all these writings, completely wrong. Because it's not criteria for anything. If we have resources, we give them all the resources that we have, as much as we have. That belongs to the Ummah itself. So we must not keep it anyway. So we give them a lot more. And there's no limit to what we give. It's not that we give حد الكفاية. Okay?
So the minimum level is
حد الكفاف.
كفاف, minimum level.
كفاف minimum, you barely live. This is the meaning of kafaf. You bring things together just to their.
Put the ends together.
Yeah, put them to become the end. That's the kafaf.
Over here I mentioned the guarantee.
But not for.
To let the animals die by hunger.
We can slaughter and eat them. They won't die.
In your Maliki school, you eat cats also.